Hi guys, this is Rajiv Nedungadi here, and today I'm going to unbox the Blu-ray of Thelma and Louise, the 28th anniversary edition, starring Susan Sarandon and Geena Davis. Here is the spine, and here is the back. So before we open it, let's check the details of this. So it got audio commentary by director Ridley Scott, audio commentary by Susan Sarandon, Geena Davis, and writer Callie Cowrie. Thelma and Louise: The Last Journey, original theatrical featurette, extended ending with director's commentary, deleted and extended scenes, multi-angle storyboards, the final chase, Part of You, Part of Me, music video by Glenn Frey. Uh, it's a total of 130 minutes. It's got Dolby digital, and it's got DTS master audio. Languages include English, Russian, Spanish, Thai, and Turkish, and subtitles in English, Russian, Spanish, Thai, and Turkish. It's a crime drama, and okay, so it says country of origin is India. So let's see, let's open this and see what we have inside. Okay, so here is the disc. You can see its region A, B, and C. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.